Good morning, everyone. Myself, Prathamesh Neeraj Bakshi. My project title is Effect of Different Concentration of BA on Shoot Proliferation of Bamboo. The scientific name of bamboo is Bamboo sodiae, which belongs to Poaceae family. In India, bamboo is one of the commercially cultivated crop and also called as poor man's timber. There are some top varieties of bamboo are Bambusa bulcoa, Bambusa tulta, Bambusa vulgaris, Dendrocalamus brandisi, Dendrocalamus asper. Bamboo has high economic value because every part of bamboo is useful and it has low initial cost, so it reduces the investment burden for the farmers. Plant tissue culture is the collection of techniques in which used to grow plant cells, tissues and organs on nutrient medium under aseptic conditions. Why tissue culture of bamboo is done? Because to provide high quality plants in very short time. Different types of hormones are used in plant tissue culture are auxin, cytokinin, gibberellin, ethylene and abscisic acid. My project is based on these two objectives. First is to find out optimum level of BA with constant Na on shoot proliferation of bamboo under in vitro conditions. And second is to find out the optimum level of BA with constant Na on rooting in bamboo under in vitro conditions. The experiment site of my project is Plant Tissue Culture Lab of Ishwet Biotech Private Limited. The lab conditions are well maintained and developed, providing 25 degrees Celsius temperature with 16 hours photoperiod provided by cool white fluorescent tubes. In my project, I use 5 treatments for multiple shooting and rooting. The explants were placed on MS medium supplemented with BA 0.0, 0.5, 1.0, 1.5 and 2.0 mg per liter with constant Na 0.1 mg per liter. Steps involved in the in vitro tissue culture of bamboo. Selection and sterilization of explant, and I use Dendrocalamus asper variety of bamboo. Preparation of nutrient medium with the combination of hormones like BA and Na. Inoculation of explant under aseptic condition into nutrient medium and store for incubation of culture bottles. Proliferated shoots are transferred on multiplication medium for subculturing. After that, transfer these shoots for root initiation on rooting medium. After all the cycles, hardening of plantlets is done in the cocoa and stored in the greenhouse for field trials. This is my project result for different concentration of BA with constant Na on number of shoots, shoot length, number of roots and length of roots. For one treatment, I prepare 1 liter media combination with BA and Na and then poured into 25 bottles. Each bottle contains 40 ml media. I use 3 inoculation pattern for those 25 bottles are. In 5 bottles, 1 culture is inoculated. In 10 bottles, 2 cultures are inoculated. And remaining 10 bottles, 3 cultures are inoculated. These two graphs shows that effect of different levels of BA with constant Na on number of shoots per explant and length of shoots per explant. In first graph, the blue color is shows 1 culture per bottle, red color is shows 2 culture per bottle and green color shows 3 culture per bottle. The maximum number of shoots were obtained at 1 culture per bottle, that is 32 shoots per explant at BA 2.0 with constant Na 0.1 mg per liter. Also, same for second graph. The maximum length of shoots were obtained at 3 explant per bottle, that is 7 cm per explant at BA 1.0 with constant Na. I told that I use 3 inoculation pattern. In first peak, 1 culture per bottle. In second peak, 2 culture per bottle. And third peak, 3 culture per bottle for a different concentration of BA with constant Na. In first peak, maximum number of shoots, that is 32 shoots per explant obtained at BA 2.0 and Na 0.1 mg per liter. In second peak, maximum length of shoots, that is 7 cm per explant obtained at BA 1.0 and Na 0.1 mg per liter. These two graphs shows that effect of different levels of BA with constant Na on number of roots per explant and length of roots per explant. In first graph, the maximum number of roots were obtained at 3 explant in bottle, that is 13 roots at BA 0.0 with constant Na 0.1 mg per liter. And in second graph, maximum length of roots were obtained at 3 explant per bottle, that is 15 centimeter at BA 0.0 with constant Na 0.1 mg per liter. I also told that I use 3 inoculation pattern. According to that, these are root initiation is obtained. In first peak, maximum number of roots, that is 13 roots per explant, were obtained at pH 0.0 with constant Na 0.1 mg per liter. And in second peak, maximum length of roots, that is 15 centimeter per explant, obtained at Ba 0.0 with constant Na 0.1 mg per liter. The summary of my project is: the shoot number and shoot length is gradually increases in cytokinin concentration, but the rooting rate is low where shooting rate is high. Maximum number of shoot, 32 shoots per explant, obtained at Ba 2.0 with constant Na 0.1 mg per liter. Maximum number of roots, that is 13 roots per explant, obtained at Ba 0.0 with constant Na 0.1 mg per liter. Maximum length of shoot, that is 7 cm per explant, obtained at Ba 1.0 with constant Na 0.1 mg per liter. Maximum length of roots, that is 15 cm per explant, obtained at Ba 0.0 with constant Na 0.1 mg per liter. In entire my project, 2 bottles of contamination is observed. The outcome of my project is Ba 2.0 mg per liter and Ba 0.0 mg per liter with constant Na 0.1 mg per liter are the best combination of hormones for effective shoot proliferation and rooting of bamboo. The 2 objectives of this project work are completed, and my future work is to use this composition of uh, hormones for other varieties and study the other auxins and cytokinin and their combination for effective growth of shoots and roots of bamboo. These are my references. Daib A. Mohammed, In Vitro Morphogenesis and Plant Regeneration of Bamboos, International Journal of Sustainable Crop Production. And my second part of the project is industrial visit. We visited Ishwet Biotech and Biju Sheetal on 27 July 2019. Ishwet Biotech is located on Aurangabad Nagpur Highway, Sindicate Raja, Buldana. In Ishwet Biotech, they do mass production of varieties of banana, uh, varieties of bamboo, and other ornamental and horticulture crops. The Ishwet Biotech has different departments like bottle washing, media preparation, media storage, inoculation, growth, and last hardening department. These are some photographs of Ishwet Biotech Private Limited. Bij Sheetal Bioscience Foundation is located in Biotechnology Park, Aurangabad Road, Jalna. They encourage research and development in agriculture sector and provide training in the field of agriculture biotechnology. Their main motto is improvement of vegetable crops. G9 and GG9 variety of banana is famous of Bij Sheetal, using of plant tissue culture for maintaining of virus-free crops. These are some photographs related to Bij Sheetal Bioscience Foundation. On the basis of my project, I participated in second one-day national symposium on challenges in agriculture and their solution, organized by SDMU's college, and I got poster presentation certificate with entitled "Effect of Different Concentration of Ba with Constant Na on Shoot Proliferation of Bamboo." Again, I got poster presentation certificate in online international conference on biodiversity, conservation and tourism. I would like to express my sincere gratitude to my project guide Dr. Ravi Kherde sir, Dr. N.R. Chavan sir, Principal of MGM College of Agriculture and Biotechnology, and heartiest thank you to Dr. Pramod Sable sir, Industrial Guide, and whole team of Ishwet Biotech Private Limited. Thank you.